and want to start making money in the stock market but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today I'll show you step by step how to start investing from scratch. Did you know that most beginners lose money in the stock market? That's because they follow random tips, invest without knowledge, and panic when prices fall. The stock market is a place where companies sell shares, and when you buy those shares, you become a small owner of that company. If you keep your money in a bank, it grows slowly, but the stock market has the potential to build real wealth over time. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is where you can buy, sell, and hold your stocks. Step 2. Learn the basics before investing. Understand terms like shares, market cap, profit, and risk. Step 3. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars. Even $10 or $50 is enough to begin. Real wealth in the stock market is built over time. Long-term investing is the key to success. Avoid these beginner mistakes, following tips blindly, panic selling, and chasing quick profits. Imagine investing a small amount every month. Over time, your money can grow into something big through consistency. If you're serious about building wealth, start today and subscribe for more simple investing videos.